The step-by-step way you ought to be using your skincare products, in fact your facial products, starting from your facial wash to your sunscreen. These are most of the products. I can't hold everything, so I'll be showing you how to step-by-step layer your product. Let's get right into the video. First off, you want to go in with your facial wash. This is the age resistant facial wash, and here is the glow facial wash. So it's morning and I'm going to be using my age resistant. You can see how jelly it is. Then I wash like so. Next, you'll be applying the facial mask on your face. This also acts as an exfoliator. Okay, this is called the deep cleansing. You apply it on your face, lightly on the middle of your face, and then you apply lightly in upward motion. You need to make it light to ease quick drying, and you apply enough amount of it to aid easy removal, easy peeling off. If you should minimize your product during application, you get to have a tough time while peeling. So you apply evenly on your face, avoiding your eyes and your lip. This face mask helps to revitalize and maintain your moisture balance of your skin. Just as I said earlier, it's also a deep cleanser. It deep cleans oil and dirt from pores and allow moisture to be absorbed into the skin when used regularly. You should be using it for just 2 to 3 times in a week. It's an exfoliator. Get to wait for about 25 minutes to 40 minutes for it to dry off. So I think it's already dried now. You can see I can touch, and I can also make some funny positions on my face. I can see it's already peeling and tearing off. You can see close to my lip. So I guess it's time for us to peel it out. So simply peel it out outwardly. See the leathers and practical comments. Take a closer look. You can see some dead bricks peeling as well. Blackhead remover. It came alongside with the facial mask. So we simply take some reasonable amount of it and then apply just on the nose. It helps to remove blackheads on the nose and leaves your nose clear, supple and tight, removing all the pores and holes on your nose. So it's really nice. You should try it. It's dried now, so we get to peel it out. My nose skin is all cleansed, clear and tight. And then we'll go in with the toner. I'm using the simple product as well that it cleans and tone your face properly. You do this for about a minute max. Yeah. Then we'll go for the serum. I'm using my Dr. Rashi serum, which has vitamin C and niacinamide included. Yeah, you simply add some drops of it on your face and then you massage actually. Get on dropping. And next, if you're having your face cream, you can use that now. I'm using the Rest and Reset Hydrating Gel for 72 hours. Yeah, also a simple product that I'm using. So you simply rub in upward and outward motion or directions. Yeah. And next, you want to go in with your moisturizer. This is mostly and best used in the nights, yeah. But then I'm using it now, so it's like cream, it's not bad. So yeah, you simply apply a reasonable amount of it on your face. And lastly, you get to add your sunscreen. This is always the last product to be applying on your face. Yeah, and this product is so important. This final step is so important that if you fail to apply your sunscreen, you get to put all of the previous products you've been using, starting from your face wash, into a risk of what? Not effectiveness, and then you'll be risking your skin against sunburn. So do yourself good by always applying your sunscreen. Okay? Yeah. If you've learned anything new from this video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, support me by subscribing to my channel, and I would like to know what you've learned from this video, so please tell me that in the comment section. I'll be eager and glad to read from you. Thanks. Bye.